Today it's a 17th of April 2025, and we are in the house of Henok Shalun. That's the name, and the address is 15404 Snowberry Way, Upper Marlboro, Maryland. The zip code is 20774. The claim number is MSN Maryland, this in David, 2500276, LSN Louis 325. And we are here today to show you guys this roof we cannot repair, and also the color of the shingle is not available, or the shingle is this shingle is discontinued. But the first thing we're gonna do is show you guys, it's a repair. You cannot repair this roof because you're gonna damage more. We know you approve all of this slope and the other slope right there, but one thing is we're just gonna show you why we're gonna remove one shingle and why all of this is connected. Like if you see it right here, this is the valley. We need to install ice and water shield in the valley. To install the ice and water shield in the valley, we need to remove this part of the shingle. And if we remove this, we're gonna mess the shingle, mess up the part of the shingle, this roof. And also, this is connected to this one. And it's not only that, the ridge cap, it needs to remove the ridge cap. And to remove the ridge cap, if you see the sealant right here, there's a cement. If we pull this one up, we're gonna damage this shingle, and it's connected to this one. And then it's not only that. This one has a ridge vent or ridge cap, and if we remove the ridge cap, the nails is going right here, and we're gonna mess up part of this roof also, and all of that is connected together. If you see it, it's all connected together. You see the remove everything right there. You approve that, but it's connected all of together. It's now wait till we can just do the repair. And I'm gonna show you guys right now. This is one shingle, and you're gonna see. Like right now, I'm gonna show you guys this shingle right here. It's sealed, okay? Okay. It's no problem with it. Right now, this is the repair where we're gonna do the repair, and it's the same thing. This is the shingle we're gonna remove. If you see, that's the damaged shingle. That's the wing. And if you see right here, it's still sealed, okay? And it's the thing I'm gonna show you. Okay, everything is sealed. Right now, we're gonna pull this shingle up because we will remove it, and we're gonna start doing it right now. Trying to not damage the shingle. Trying to not damage, but like I'm saying before, I'm pulling the nail out. Again, this shingle is really old. shingle up more than 2 inches. That's a lot of leaves. This is the shingle. That one is damaged. See the creases? And right now, that's the same side. No,
It's not the same.
different side. This shingle is small. We're gonna take it to test it out. Because that shingle is not a bale. One thing is, the exposure of this shingle is different than the new one. If you're gonna see right here, I'm gonna show you. You see right here, the exposure is different. You see the seed? It has like a inch difference, more than inch, like 2 inches. You see? And then right now it's not gonna be able to seal because the sealant right here, we gotta seal. And if we're doing it right here, it's not gonna get sealed on the. That's really different. We're just gonna do this one like a temporary because we're gonna do this one
right there.
temporary. We're gonna do it. Why? Because it's not the same shingle and also the color of the shingle and the exposure. If you see the shingle right now, it's not gonna get sealed because the sealant is right here and we cannot use that. Okay, now we're gonna nail it and also the color. Why send those shingles test? It's not a baby. The point here is to show you guys, you know, yeah, this shingle cannot be repaired. And also it's not only that. It's really old shingle. These are tools we're using so we can nail it. Okay. And let's start. Get damage all of the edge right here. right now, if you seen it, you're gonna see it again. You see, right now, these edges, you see, the seal is broken. Some of the shingle, you see the edges, it's the seal broke on most of the shingles, you see, right here. And right now, if you were seeing it on this one, you see, doesn't go through. Why? Because it's sealed. And then it's a big problem right here. Like I say, the shingle dimensions is different, and it's everything connected together. This is the old shingle. If you see the difference, in this case, this shingle is really old, and it's impossible to do the repair on this one. If you see it, if you approve that one, gotta remove this side to install the ice and water shield. But I'm gonna send that one on pictures to show you guys. Thank you for your time, and thank you for seeing this video.